Alright, Wave 5. Whoo! Let's download this. This is crazy, guys. Wave 5 is here. While this is downloaded, let me just talk a little bit about this, guys. Ignore that because I have a spy in my eye a little bit, but yes, Wave 5 is officially here. This is crazy, guys. You know, the thing is, we only have one more wave of Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. And that's it. After that, it's done. Man. For those who haven't played it, it's so good, guys. I don't want to spoil it for you guys or anything like that. But if you guys are going to see parts after I'm going to show you guys that, then yeah. So just so you know, if you don't want to watch it, so you guys don't spoil it. So yeah. But anyways, back to what I'm trying to say here. This is crazy, guys. We only have one more wave, and that means it's gonna come out before 2024. It can't be at 2024 because it's only gonna be during this year at 2023. So for those who hasn't purchased it or gone online and played it, there's people that do it, like Super Live Gaming does it online. A few other YouTubers does it as well. I don't do it because I just don't. So if you guys go over to those channels, you guys can see that. But yeah, it's really fun. The new characters as well, which is they added it in for during this new update, and there's a lot of stuff they added to this. So hopefully whenever the last wave comes out, it could be a big one. I'm saying like a very big update because they worked so hard 6 times in a row to add new maps, new cups. It was crazy good. So yeah. Alright. It's 100%. Let's go to my regular account, my Parrot Playz. It's 2.4.0 as an update version of this. Let's just go over here and check. Ooh, look at those new faces. If you want to look, if not, then don't. Pretty Piranha. Wiggler. Whoo! Look at this, guys. Woo! Look at this. That's the Wiggler, and that's the Wiggler. Look at that, guys. Who loves that? I really wanted a Wiggler in this game. Literally, I really wanted Wiggler in this game. They didn't add any more things. Okay, let's just go check the maps. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay. Ooh, Daisy's Cruiser. Okay. Moonview Highway. Ooh, man. Koopa Cape. I know that one. So that means, guys, literally, let me just turn this down a little bit. Literally, this upcoming wave is officially the last wave. That's it. After that, it's over. No more. So for those who haven't played all those maps, they might end up leaving at the end of 2023 maybe, or after. I think they're gonna be leaving after because they're already gonna be releasing that one. Then after that, during 2024, they're gonna remove it maybe. I don't know if they are gonna do that, but yeah, just look at this. Woo! This is crazy, guys. That is that. The new waves. Have fun.